So earlier today, I posted a video on using an L fence in order to straighten an irregular edge. The edge was a live edge, and I wanted to make a straight cut instead. And I think my thinking was backwards on it. I thought that there was something special about the L fence that let me perform that operation. But in thinking about it afterwards, I realized that just the regular old fence would have done the same job. The special thing was the cleat that I nailed to the top of the workpiece. And there was nothing special about the L fence that let me perform that operation. So I don't want to lead anyone astray in figuring out why that worked. So I just removed the video. Now, I still think that the L fence is a really good idea, and the source material for that is Fine Woodworking. This present issue, so it's dated August 2021, and it's issue number 290. The article is by Bob Van Dyke, and he describes the construction of his L fence and how it should be used and all the wonderful things that you can do with it. So I still recommend having an L fence. I just don't think that my particular application made any kind of special use of it. Thanks for sticking around till here. And remember, make some time for your passion. And if you can share it, so much the better.